Hello and welcome to my how to edit a video on Davinci Resolve. So let's just start. The things that you will need to edit a video are obviously a mouse and keyboard, and that's really all you need. So yeah, and if you want to get fancy, you can have a double monitor setup, but that's not really necessary. Well, first thing that you're gonna want to do is open a new project and name your project. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna name mine test 1 and click on create. So you'll be greeted with this here on the cut tab. You can go straight to the edit tab first, and then import your media by going to the media pool here, clicking on it, and then right clicking, import media, and looking for the video that you want to select. So I'm gonna just look for I'm just gonna look for one here. We can do this, I guess. Yep, change the frame rate, and just drag it to your timeline. And if you want to make get closer, there is a little bar here, and you can get closer. You can even use this if you want. And I'm gonna open up the inspector tab, which is all the way up here. So just click on that. You can get a full view of everything else. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're gonna want to cut out parts of the video that you don't like or you think is boring. So what you want to do to take out your blade is there's two ways. The first way is coming over here, and you see this little blade tool. Just click on it, and you can click right next to it, and it'll cut. The second way to take out your blade is just pressing B on your keyboard, and it'll take out the blade, and you can just cut again. And then if you want to get back to your mouse, you can go up here and select the mouse, or you can press A on your keyboard and it'll go back to your mouse. So once you have cut parts of the video or part of the video that you don't want, you can delete it by either selecting it, how it's red outline, and right clicking it and clicking delete selected, or you can select it and press backspace, which just deletes it, and then you just drag the clip back to where it is. Okay, so now once you are done cutting parts of your video, you might be wanting to add like maybe images or videos over the video, like a meme or something. So here is how to do that. The first thing you're going to do is click on the media pool up here, and then right click inside of here, then click on import media. Then what you're going to do is just find the video that you want. So I'll do I guess I can do this again. I'm going to use this one. And then what you got to do is you can drag it right above. Once you have done that, you can crop it to a smaller size so it doesn't cover your whole video. So what you can do is select it, right, and then click on the inspector, and then go to zoom and just take it down. Right, you can take it and make it small, make it big, however you like. And you can go to position X and Y, move it side to side, or move it up and down. So we're just gonna move it, I guess, side to side here, like that, and boom. I got it, yes, bitch. So, what if you don't want the video itself and you only want, let's say, the audio? Well, here's what you can do. So, you go to the clip, you select the clip that you want only the audio of. Then you right click it, and on the bottom it should show link clips. Just click on that. Once you've clicked on it, deselect it and select the video again. And as you can see, now it's unlinked, so now you can just select the clip, press spacebar or backspace, and boom, you got yourself only the audio. I got it, yes! So now you only have the audio. But let's say you want to have the video. Let's say if you want to have the video in it, but you want it to pop up, then I'll show you how to do that. So first you want to crop it, make it smaller if you want. I'll make it like that size. And then the first thing we're gonna do is add a keyframe next to zoom X, or yeah, in this part right here. Press the keyframe. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to make it, I guess, smaller, maybe invisible. And you see the arrow keys on your keyboard. Move forward like a couple frames, however you like. So I'm gonna move up 6 frames. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've moved up 6 frames. Now you take the zoom and you make it bigger however you like. Make it that big, and as you can see, it adds the keyframe for you. And then boom, you got it. That's all you really have to do. So now, as you can see, I got it, yeah! I got it! You can make it pop up like that. And if you don't really like it, you see this little diamond here. You can click on it, and you can actually see where the keyframes are. So you can take the keyframes and adjust it. So if you want to make it shorter, you can, like that. So let's see if that looks better. I got it, yes! It looks pretty alright. I got it, yes! So that's basically how to make it pop up. And you can keep adjusting it however you like. So yeah, that's how to make a video pop up. And if you want to do like an image, you just do the same exact thing. Import media, and then add it to your timeline, crop it however you like, and do the same thing if you want to have it pop up. Next is adding texts, like any kind of text you would like. So I'll be teaching you how to do that now. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go up to the top next to media pool. It'll show effects library. Just click on that, and you don't need the media pool out right now. And it'll show you all these options. Just go to titles, and you can choose any other title here, but for now I'm just gonna choose the regular text. So just hold it and drag it on top, and then just scroll up to look at it, and then you can just change it. Title hello, and then you can change the color and the font. So I'm gonna change my font here. Just click on it. You can add your own font, but I won't be showing how to do that right now. And you can change the size using the size here. And if you mess up and you want it to put it at the original part, you can either type it in here, 128, which was its original, or you can, if you mess up like this, you can double click the size and it'll reset it to 128. And then line spacing is just the line spacing like that. The font style, I like to put mine. You don't really have to do anything. You do whatever you want for this one. It's just, I guess, adding a line, which I don't really like. Or the alignment, which I like to choose, is the middle one, the second one, and just drag it down for if you want to make it like a subtitle kind of thing. You can change the offset, blur, opacity, drop shadow color. You can change the stroke. You can change background color and stuff like that. So yeah, you can just do basically whatever you want. You can move it side to side, up and down, big or small, and yeah, basically that's how to add a text into your video. And and you can come over here, and if you want to like change the text length, you can go to the end of it where it shows like this little thing icon, hold and drag it back, or you can drag it forwards. So you can drag it back like that, and beers. Yeah. Alright, say you wanna add an outro to your video. Well, here's I'll be showing you 2 ways of making an outro. You can also do this for an intro, but this is for once you're done editing your whole video, you just want to add an outro. The first way is a simple way. If you just want a normal like plain colored background, you go to effects library, go to generators, right here, and then look for solid color, which is right here. Click it, drag it, and there you go. You have yourself the solid color. You can add text if you want, how I showed you earlier, going to titles and then going to text, dragging above it. Oops. There you go. Dragging above, then having the text. I guess, I don't know. Right? Changing your font and everything. Once you've done that, you can get an audio from a video that you want, or maybe you already have an audio there. Say you want an audio from a video. We'll go with this one. You just click on it, right click in clips, deselect it, and select it again, delete the clip, and you can just add the audio only. Here's the second way of making an outro. This one's really also really easy. First thing you're gonna do is I'm gonna delete all these first, obviously. I'm going to add the same clip because this is what I might want it to be our outro, and maybe go, look for a part where I want it to end, somewhere like here. Cut it, delete it, and here is the part of your outro. Right? But say that you want to add like something like a green screen of somebody's or something with your outro, or even in any part of your clip. Here's an easy way. Look for a green screen of any video like this, the dancing dog. First, what you gotta do is put the dancing dog above it, right? Now here's where things might look complicating, but it really isn't. What you're gonna do is you gotta go down here and you gotta go to this little color wheel looking thing and you just click on it. Then make sure you had the clip selected. You can select it in here, but let's just have this selected. First thing you're gonna do is take your mouse, hover it in this part, in this box, right click and find add alpha output. Click on that and then drag this blue little square and drag it all the way to here. Now that you've done that, make sure your this little dropper on the bottom is selected, and then just click anywhere inside the video. But that is the opposite of what we want. We want the green to go away instead of the dog, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna press look for this, press this invert thing. This is just to invert it. And if you want to get this like green outline away from it, like you want it to look more clean, you go to the bottom here and you go to in and out ratio and you just drag it to the left. This is to decrease like the greenness, and yeah, just to decrease it. You can make it go all the way up or all the way down. And yeah, you can just decrease it all the way if you want. Then once you are done, just go back, and wow, if you want to get rid of the audio, like I said, just go to the clip, unlink it, deselect, select, delete the audio. And if you want to copy and paste a video, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold down on a clip press Alt on your keyboard and hold it. Then drag it out and then let go of the mouse and then Alt. And then it'll copy it, and now it'll look like this. Right? And in YouTube you can add your like video here and then your logo here. Boom, you have your outro. So yeah, that is the second way on how to make an outro, an intro if you want to. So this is just a simple tutorial or how-to on how to make just a basic video. Nothing really advanced. This is for just beginners on how to edit a video. If you want to see the results of the video that I made, it'll be a link in the description on my channel. Make sure to like and sub if you want. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.